For women that have a uterus, if you have not had a hysterectomy, estrogen always has to be given with progesterone. And the reason is that estrogen by itself will stimulate the lining of the uterus called the endometrium. And if it's not balanced with progesterone, can lead to uterine cancer. When we give it with progesterone, it does the exact opposite, and it balances out that lining. And women that are on estrogen and progesterone actually have a lower risk of uterine cancer than women that aren't on any medicine at all. So if you still have your uterus, we'll always give you progesterone with your estrogen. If you have had a hysterectomy and you don't have a uterus, you don't have to have progesterone. Then it becomes optional depending on your symptoms. The progesterone can still be helpful for some women. For some women, they don't need it. So again, we individualize the treatment depending on your symptoms and your unique situation. So it may be a mixture or maybe just one. And occasionally we have some people that just want the progesterone, and that's okay too. And for some people that ends up being enough.